Bohr's atomic model. Before giving the atomic model, Bohr gives certain postulate. These are as follows. Electron revolve around nucleus in a stationary circular orbit. In a stationary circular orbit. Suppose this one is, you can say, nucleus, and electron is revolving around this nucleus in the on this circular path. Suppose electron is present here. This one is electron. Two type of forces acting on, you can say, electron. Centrifugal force, that is equals to mv square upon r. Centrifugal force, that is equals to mv square upon r. Likewise, there is also a force towards the nucleus, that is centripetal force, and the centripetal force will be Ze square upon r square. This will be Ze square upon r. This is the, you can say, direction of motion of electron. This one is the direction of motion of electron. Direction of motion of electron. So electron revolve around nucleus in stationary circular orbit. It is only possible if the force acting on electron, that is centrifugal force and centripetal force, both are equal. It means we can say for this condition mv square upon r should be equals to Ze square upon r square. Ze square upon r square. Ze square upon r square. This is centrifugal force. This one is centripetal force. That is equals to Ze square upon r, and this one is equals to mv square upon r. And this condition is fulfilled, means electron revolve around nucleus in stationary circular orbit only when mv square upon r is equals to Ze square upon r. And the next postulate of Bohr atomic model is only those orbits are permitted, only those orbits are permitted in which angular momentum of revolving electron is whole number multiple of h upon 2 pi, or इलेक्ट्रॉन उन्हीं ऑर्बिट में रिवॉल्व कर सकता है जिसमें रिवॉल्व करने वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन का एंगुलर मोमेंटम h/2 का होल नंबर मल्टीपल हो. इट मीन्स वी कैन से mvr equals to nh/2π. This one is the second postulate of Bohr atomic model. And the third one is when electron revolve in a particular orbit, when electron revolve in a particular orbit, when electron revolve in a particular orbit, it neither absorb nor emit एनर्जी. यानी जब इलेक्ट्रॉन किसी पर्टिकुलर ऑर्बिट में रिवॉल्व करता है तो ना वो एनर्जी को एब्जॉर्ब करता है और ना ही इमिट. एनर्जी इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड or emitted when electron jump from one orbit to other orbit. When electron jump from lower orbit to higher orbit, you can say lower energy level to higher energy level, it will absorb. Likewise, when electron jump from higher to lower energy level, then it will emit the energy. And you can say the energy, that is, you can energy difference between these two orbit will be denoted by the symbol delta E, which is calculated by the expression h nu. Delta E equals to h nu, where nu is the frequency, whereas h is Planck constant, whose value is 6.6 into 10⁻⁻34 joule second.